In this video, I'll detail how to turn on Apple Watch Series 9. So this is the Apple Watch Series 9 45mm cellular plus GPS. So here, I'm going to show you how to power on or turn on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you just got your Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to turn it on, you'll be prompted to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone or Mac before you can set up your Apple Watch. However, if you've already set up your Apple Watch and now you want to turn it on, all you just need to do is press the side button, press and hold it like 5 seconds. Then once you see the Apple logo comes up, just let it go. And now once the Apple logo comes up, it might take like 10 to 15 seconds before your Apple Watch Series 9 will turn on. Just hang on while the Apple Watch boots. And then if you're using passcode on your Apple Watch Series 9, you'll be prompted to type in your passcode before you can fully access the Apple Watch Series 9 screen. So once you press the side button, just hang on for the Apple Watch Series 9 to turn on. Then once it turns on, you should see the clock screen just like this. So if you are using passcode, then you'll be prompted to type in your passcode. So once that is done, you can then go ahead to start operating your Apple Watch Series 9. So that's how you can easily turn on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.